Hey there, this is Daryl from the Jackson Fishing Team, and today I want to talk about, I guess, line management, how you switch out reels or lines on reels. And I'm going to talk about my favorite, which is the switch box. And my problem is I want to move some line onto this Silton reel, and the line I want to put on there is on this spool, so I'll need to figure out how to put backing on there. That'll probably be another video, or I'll just cheat and go to a place to have fly line put on there. So I've got to be able to store that line, and then this line here is going to go on that spool. The clear one is an intermediate, and that's what I want to put on here. This here is a sink tip that I want to put on this other reel. And then this reel here, I want to install this expert distance shooting line onto this reel here. That's what I'm going to do. That's the task at hand. And so what we'll do is we'll start with taking the line off of this one. And what you'll want to do to start with is loosen up your drag. I'm going to lay it on the floor. And then while I'm doing it, I'm going to go ahead and clean my line. And I see something, and I've already got something in this one, so I'm gonna have to use a different box. Don't know what's in there, so got an empty one here, and I'll just take the clips off. On there. And get my line started on there. And of course, with a fly rod reel, you're always putting the line in. So when I'm putting it on the spool, it'd be just like coming from the manufacturer. I was going to clean this line. And I'm just going to put some of this Umpqua Glide in on this pad. And then all right, I'll put the little handle in there. And we'll attach that. And that's simple. And then when I get to the backing, the backing on there. And you can see I've got a big loop there. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Take the handle off, and then we'll take the loop off. And the reason why you got a big loop is so you can move your box through it. And you got your fly line off. On there. All right. Do is I want to take the line off of this spool, because this line is going on that silver one. And probably so I don't have to bore you to death, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off camera. All right, now I got that. This is the line I just took off of this spool here, and I'm gonna now add this line to the silver one, where the sink tip I want to be on this one. So I got my big loop. Right here. And just like putting on your leader, on here we want we'll just put our loop through here, and then I'm gonna give it a couple of these through it. And I'm going to make sure that the loop, that these twists are on that loop, not below that loop, so that way it's got a better connection. It's not like a single point of failure trying to cut into that loop. It's kind of wrapped around there on that, on there. And next I'm going to do is I'm going to position this so it looks like this, and I'm going to put that on the floor, and I'm going to kind of give that another cleaning. Again. Well, got it upside down. Maybe I didn't have it upside down. There it goes. I don't know if you can really see that. And I'm going to kind of hold this with my feet while I wind this stuff up. All right, so I got that on there. Now I just need to do is mark this. That's actually a sink tip for a 7/8 weight, so I don't get confused. Other than that, the switch box is great in my opinion. All I've got left to do is put that new fly line on this one here, and I'm not going to bore you with that. So let's consider getting one of these. It's a time saver. You can, if you don't want one, if you got one spool, one reel, and you want multiple lines to go back and forth, just use a switch box as the carry case, and you could swap them out right there on the water, on the boat, in your kayak, on the shore, wherever. All right, I'm Daryl, and we will see you on the water. Now to put on a new line, we're going to take care of get rid of those things. And normally when you're taking it off, just like when we put on the switch box, the line will come with a tag that says this end to the reel. Just like it's coming off, it's going to go on correctly, and we'll see what we can do with that. But I'm not going to bore you. We're going to go ahead and line that up and the same process, cranking it onto that other reel there. All right, we'll see you on the water. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy the tip. Check them out. It's a great product.